Hi, I'm Olivia, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIES. Start the clock. Monday began another week of fun and creative learning, the virtue of this week, justice. Tuesday, grade 3s had an exit point for their unit, Significant People, which included coming to school dressed as a significant person of their choice. Wednesday, grade 5s were down on the courts for PE, learning the ins and outs of tennis. Thursday and Friday was the beginning of our learning from home experience, where students and staff practiced their diligence and flexibility while communicating and learning from home. On behalf of Jess, Zara, Sophie, Andrew, Miya, and the rest of the Week That Was team, I'm Olivia, and we'll see you again next time.